You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words correctly once and for all. I know many people get confused by those two and mix them up. If you want to learn more pronunciations in English, by the way, stay tuned for more. The top word is pronounced in British English, leisure. Leisure. It's a j sound, like a soft G or a J without the D. Leisure. 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 Alright, now the bottom word is pronounced leather with a TH sound. Leather. Leather. Alright, can you hear the difference? Leisure is the top word. Leisure is the time when you're not occupied, your free time, when you're enjoying yourself. Leisure. Bottom word, leather, is the skin of an animal that you used for clothing. Leisure, leather. Now, the top word in American English in the US is sometimes pronounced as leisure. That's how the Americans say it. Leisure or leisure. The bottom word, even in American English, is pronounced leather. Can you hear the difference between those two? Was this video any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.